Want to take control of your finances, but not sure where to start? What if budgeting could be the key to achieving your financial goals? In the next few minutes, we'll show you how simple budgeting can change your financial future, starting today. Budgeting is the first step to taking control of your finances. In this video, we'll show you how to create a budget and track your spending. The first thing you need to do is figure out how much money you have coming in. This is your income after taxes. Include all sources of income: your salary, side jobs, any freelance work, or other money you earn. Next, list all of your fixed expenses, things that stay the same each month. These could be your rent, utility bills, car payments, insurance, and subscriptions. Now track your variable expenses, things that change month to month, like groceries, dining out, or entertainment. These can be harder to predict, but tracking them helps you find areas to cut back. A key part of your budget is saving money and paying down debt. Set aside money for things like your emergency fund, future goals, or paying off credit card debt. Using budgeting apps can help automate the process. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Every Dollar can track your spending in real time. These tools help you see where your money is going and make adjustments if needed. There are different ways to budget. You could follow the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your income like this. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% towards savings or paying down debt. To stay on track, make sure you're reviewing your spending every week or month. This helps you adjust if you're overspending or if there's extra money to save. At the end of each month, review how well you stuck to your budget. Adjust it if you need to for the next month. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect at first. Just keep adjusting as you go. Budgeting is the key to gaining control over your finances. Start today, and you'll be on the path to financial success. Remember, you've got this. Keep tracking your spending and making progress toward your goals. Start budgeting now and take control of your financial future.